Hi, I'm Robbie Sansom, CEO and Chief Land Steward at Force of Nature Meats, based right here in Austin, Texas. As the nation's first regenerative meat company and the fastest growing company in meat, we provide premium proteins for today's consumer. Regenerative agriculture describes a complex process of managing land in a way that mimics how wild herds naturally graze and in turn restores lands and waterways to their natural potential. Our bison and wild boar products are from right here in Texas, and our grass-fed meats are raised in a way that is good for Texas and good for Texans. Our meats are ground fresh and frozen at the peak of freshness. They ship frozen and can be sold in the freezer case or slacked to fresh at the meat counter. Our grass-fed, grass-finished ground bison is sourced right here in Texas from ranches practicing regenerative land management. This truly is the highest quality of protein that consumers can find. It is lean while also being exceptionally delicious. When raised with this level of care, bison meat develops new depths of flavor while remaining perfectly tender. We recommend using regenerative ground bison in all recipes calling for ground meat. You really can't go wrong. Our wild-caught Texas boar is phenomenal. This is hands down the most underrated meat in North America. Wild boar is loaded with flavor and nutrients while also being incredibly versatile. It's great in soups and even egg rolls, and it makes a mean chili. Force of Nature Meats is the best meat on the planet for the planet. Made right here in Texas by Texans for Texans, easily making it the best in Texas.